Hi, Christine with BetterLookingBiz.com. I want to talk a little bit about being an introvert and the fear of being on camera. I don't believe that the fear that we feel or the overwhelm that we feel comes from the technical aspect or the process of creating video. As entrepreneurs, we create businesses from scratch. We do amazing things every day, and every day we conquer technology. So, why is creating video so much harder than, say, writing a blog post or even creating a course or training someone or working with someone one on one? I believe it's because video gets noticed. And because video gets noticed, we feel exposed. And as an introvert, doing something that's going to make me feel that way drains me before I get started. So my fear is over the potential loss of creative energy, not over the technical or process of creating video. Because for me, and I know this is true for you if you're an introvert like me, replenishing creative energy is really difficult. I'd like you to reframe how you think about video. When you think about it, video is actually a great medium for us introverts. We can sit in a room all by ourselves and we can gather our thoughts and we can edit out our mistakes and we can talk to the other person on the other end of the camera, just one person at a time. We can create a deeper connection. We don't have to talk to the entire world. And I know that you're curious or you wouldn't be here. If you'd like to learn a little bit about video, you don't have to say yes right now, but if you're thinking about it, grab the free training. My husband and I created it. He has 20 years of video experience, and we go over some very basic fundamentals, and we let you know exactly what equipment to get and how to set it up and how to get started creating simple videos that are effective and that are going to move your business forward. And we'd like to go through this process with you. I totally get it. I'm completely introverted, and I want to teach you how to create video because I know that you can do it. So grab that training and get started making videos for your business today.